Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you spend hours in front of a screen, whether for work, study, or just browsing, then you know how much a good monitor can impact your day. And what if I told you there's a new display that's designed to make those long hours not just bearable, but genuinely comfortable and productive? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the Dell 24 monitor, the SE2425HM, a 23.8-inch full HD marvel that's packed with features designed for you. Right out of the gate, the Dell SE2425HM makes a statement with its sleek, minimalist black design. It's a monitor that fits seamlessly into any setup, but its true beauty lies in what it brings to your daily viewing experience. Dell has truly focused on the core needs of modern users, and it starts with an incredibly smooth display. We're talking about a 100 Hz refresh rate on this IPS panel. Now, if you're used to a standard 60 Hz monitor, you might be wondering, does an extra 40 Hz really make a difference for everyday tasks? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. From the moment you start scrolling through a long document, browsing your favorite websites, or even just moving your mouse cursor across the screen, you'll notice an immediate difference. Everything feels fluid, responsive, and incredibly natural. This isn't just about gaming. It's about reducing the subtle choppiness that causes eye fatigue over time. It makes your digital world feel more alive and less like a series of still images, leading to a much more enjoyable and less fatiguing experience throughout your workday. But Dell didn't stop at just smoothness. They went a significant step further in prioritizing your eye health with their TÜV Rheinland 3-star certification and ComfortView Plus technology. This is a game changer, especially for those of us who clock in long hours in front of a screen. ComfortView Plus is Dell's always-on, built-in solution that minimizes harmful blue light emissions without compromising color accuracy. Think about that for a second. You get the benefit of reduced eye strain and better sleep cycles, without the typical yellow tint that often comes with blue light filters. Your photos, videos, and work documents retain their vibrant, true-to-life colors, meaning you don't have to sacrifice visual fidelity for comfort. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a genuine commitment to your long-term well-being, ensuring that your eyes feel fresher, even after an intense 8-hour session. Are you tired of that end-of-day screen fatigue? This feature alone could be the solution you've been searching for. Beyond the visuals, Dell has thought about your physical workspace too. The tidy and organized design of the SE2425HM is something I truly appreciate. It features a built-in power supply unit, which means no more bulky power bricks cluttering up your desk or tangling under your feet. Plus, there's a smart cable holder integrated into the stand, keeping your essential wires neatly bundled and out of sight. A clean desk isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reducing distractions and creating a more focused, productive environment. And speaking of flexibility, this monitor doesn't lock you into one position. You can easily tilt it to find your perfect viewing angle, ensuring ergonomic comfort. For those who want even more customization or multi-monitor setups, it's also compatible with VESA mounts, offering you total freedom to integrate it into your ideal workspace. So, who is the Dell 24 monitor, SE2425HM for? It's for anyone who values comfort, efficiency, and a truly pleasant viewing experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or simply someone who enjoys crisp, smooth visuals for everyday tasks, this monitor delivers exceptional value. It's a smart investment in your productivity and your eye health. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace and give your eyes the comfort they deserve, you absolutely need to check out the Dell SE2425HM. Find the link to purchase it in the description below, along with all the detailed specs. Don't just settle for a monitor. Choose a viewing experience that